What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Maha back again with another video. As you can tell, today we are back in the Chaser, man. Last couple of videos of the Chaser, we did some interesting stuff. Last video was the whole mock-up of the custom lip kit, and now it's actually 90% done. All it needs is paint. Give y'all a little, mod list update of what we got so far in the Chaser. Cosmetics, we're basically almost done with the cosmetic stuff until we get fresh paint and everything. But let's hop out the car and show you how we're working with even before this Florida starts becoming Florida, man. This is ridiculous. But just look up behind me, man. Y'all see that? Oh, let me flip this around so y'all can see this. This is crazy. So yeah, let's try to get this video done ASAP. But yeah, man, so past couple of videos, like I said, or past video was the mock-up, and now this is literally the finished product. All we have to do now is already primered. All we have to do now is just take it off and prep it for some paint. And then obviously I'm gonna have to adjust the exhaust back here, but everything here that you see on the lip wise is completely custom. You can't buy this nowhere. This was completely made and designed by yours truly, me and Armando, man. We really put in some work past couple weekends, and he, like I said, he put in basically all the work to actually get it made. So big shout out to you, dog. And actually we just recently did get sand in my car, man. It wasn't a good spot. Put out the headlights so y'all can see real quick. Did a little custom LEDs at the bottom as well. Gives a nice little aggressive, adds to the, the aesthetic of the car, to the body kit, to everything else we got going on, to the flow of the car. So I feel like those empty holes in the bottom definitely deserve some type of lights. I'm debating if I want to do some underglow on this. I'm pretty sure this car could pull it off. Drop a comment down below if y'all think I should add some underglow. I'm not gonna go too ricey on it, but she's coming along, guys. She's coming along. Really happy how the car is looking right now. Getting compliments everywhere I'm going so far. And from a year of ownership till now, man, this is crazy. Like, I wouldn't even expect or anticipate me being at this this far in the progression of this build. So it's coming along very quickly, and we ain't stopping. And just a quick little rundown. I did do this in my previous video, but I'm gonna just do it again since we back at it here. So full front end of the Chaser is from the Kazama Auto body kit from Japan, except the lip. They do have a lip kit that comes with the body kit, but really did not plan on waiting, or did not even want to wait. Wasn't trying to wait another year and pay $2 grand just for a lip kit, so custom made it. These winglets and corners here actually were from the eBay, the infamous eBay universal kit that everyone kind of throws on their car, the first mods that car guys started doing their car. But it is completely molded into one piece. The material we used was PVC, and then Armando bolted everything together. Everything came out as one piece. Same thing with the side skirts, was from the eBay universal kit. And funny story, this little corner piece was actually supposed to be, or actually was made to be, the little corner piece here for your side splitter. They really shouldn't call that a side splitter, because y'all see how long this is? Yeah, that's literally how long it's stopped from, like, right here and then back, and there's nothing else in front there. So if y'all know, y'all know that that little cheap piece. So sure enough, this actually was long enough for this corner of the corner of the winglet that we wanted to design and mold into the splitter kit, and it actually came out pretty perfect, not gonna lie. I'm very surprised, and it literally, it was made for this project that we took upon. Following down the side skirts here, Side skirt is from the Traum, T-R-A-U-M body kit. Has a nice little, lip at the edge there. Most chaser body kits, they kind of have like a curve at the end. I really don't want that. I wanted more of like a OEM plus kind of look for the split for the side skirt. And then we added on our custom splitter with the little corner pieces like I mentioned earlier. And then we curved this corner here. The piece that we cut originally was a lot more squared here, so we kind of just rounded it off to kind of flow a little better. So looks a more uniform. Following to the back here is the Origin Raceline rear bumper, and then accented it off with our custom lip kit. Now again, they do have a kit already, splitter kit already made for this from the company himself that made the front bumper, but again, I really didn't want to wait, and I feel like it'd be a little more special if we make our own. So everything fully molded into one piece. I'm gonna have to adjust the angle of this exhaust again. I did angle it already, but now I just have to tilt it out a little bit more so it could be a little more in line with that that cutout that we made there. But yeah, man, she's looking good. She's looking good. That shot is crazy right there. Look at that. That's wild. Now for the wheels, we did go with the classic Kanze tandem wheels, 18 by 9.5 plus 22 all around. And tire size, I can never remember my tire size. Tire size 225, 40, 18 all around. Might have to go small tire later on, but I prefer a little bit more meat on the tires, so I'm trying to work with the fitment in the front. The rears are fine. The fronts are still kind of rubbed, but it's mainly rubbing on the fender liner, that's the plastic inside of the fender. But I trimmed it up a lot more, so now it's a lot more quieter. Before it was kind of like scraping a lot, but for right now, it's sitting pretty good. Following up to the taillights. Taillights are D-Max LED. They have a slight smoke to them as well, but it still gives off that, classic 90s JDM style taillight. So love how it looks, man. But yeah, man, so drop a comment down below, man. Let us know how y'all liking the build so far. Don't worry, 2JZ swap, it will be coming soon. Gonna start ordering parts as well as soon as we finish off the cosmetics, which is basically 9% there. We're gonna start ordering some parts for that 2J. I did pick up a 2JZ GE that we're gonna fully break down and rebuild, and fully build that motor up to be pretty strong. If y'all know 2JZs, y'all know those motors are very capable of a lot of high horsepower. So we're gonna overbuild it, but we're gonna keep it streetable. It's comfortable, streetable, because I still want to be able to daily the car, go to work, but I still have fun at the same time. Leave work and slide around if I need to. But for right now, we're gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna be looking for the transmission for it very soon. Pretty much I think I'm set on the CD09. Just gonna have to change up that diff ratio. Ooh, that weather look like it's coming in, boy. Look at that, look at that. Crazy. But yeah, transmission, we're gonna do CD09. Do the adapter kit. I'll bolt it up to the 2JZ, and then everything else that's supporting along with that that swap. And as well for that, the engine stuff, we're gonna try to do it ourselves as well. Talked to a few people, and I kind of know some people that already kind of did it already, so I'm gonna try to take that project up as well with me and help a few of the homies. This weather looks like it's slowly starting to come in, so let's wrap this video up. But again, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all rocking with the build so far, man, appreciate all the support and all the positive and even negatives, man. I don't care. I'm doing what I do because I like what I do, man. So that being said, man, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're looking for any type of LED, car tools that, like little portable inflators for your tires, little jumper boxes, stuff like that, check out my affiliate links down in the description below. I am affiliate with Auxito, and LASFIT. So those are the two top dogs in the car tools, you know, game and lighting, mainly lighting. Actually, the LEDs for this that are on right now, which is kind of like the DRL, and the actual headlights are all from LASFIT. So go ahead, check them out. And yeah, man, I already got rain. I don't try and get this camera wet, but like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notifications so you know every time I post a video, man. With that being said, always remember, repetition creates precision, y'all. Let's go.